There you go. Cool. She's good. What's up, guys? And welcome to my 1975 Chrysler Courier 154 rebuild series. Her life started back in 1975 when my buddy's grandfather decided to buy something fun for the whole family to enjoy. My buddy pretty much grew up on this boat. The old home video you're watching right now is back from 1998. This was the last time that the old girl was in the water. She's been sitting in the bush, uncovered and unloved until now. 23 years later, it's time to bring her back to life to be able to cruise the waters of Trout Lake in North Bay, Ontario once again. So welcome to my 1975 Chrysler Courier 154 rebuild series. So here she is now. Crappy old trailer. I'm going to clean that up. That's last. This is going to be the project. It's an old trihull. Check that thing out. What a big old pig, eh? So here she is in all her glory. She's apparently the floor was redone on this thing years ago, but it's been sitting outside ever since, and it was never even complete. So I got a big job ahead of me. But you know, why not, right? It's something different. Ooh, mouse nest. The seats, well, a couple of the seats used to be over here. This is what I'm talking about. I got to show this stuff before I get too carried away, because they were sitting over there, and I just touched them, and they kind of crumbled. So I just jumbled everything over in one big honking mess here. But I got this from a friend who just wanted it off the property. It's apparently that's a runner. It's something to do with the starter or something that has to be fixed. So I'm gonna have to. I'll show you under here in a second. I think that cover's in the glove box. This I'm gonna have to make. But yeah, she's definitely gonna need some work. It's different though. It's kind of neat. I wonder if I can do it. Guess if you're watching this video, it means I might have finished it and decided to upload it, because this is probably going to take me a couple months. Who knows? Nice and filthy. All right, let's take a look underneath this hood here and see what we're working with. And there's been a little bit of activity in there over the years. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. That's not too bad. Not too bad. I wonder if, oh, look at that. That's a good sign. Kind of hard to... Okay, she moves. It's not seized. Excellent. So we have all the panels. I guess all the panels for all the surrounds in here. I'm not going to use them. I don't like them. I'm going to make my own. It's she's not going to be a pretty boat. I'm probably just going to make just get some plywood, maybe some decent looking plywood, and just cut big honking friggin' panels and just friggin' put them in there, seal them up, kind of thing, you know. I don't know, stain and sealer and all that kind of crap, and just leave it simple. The floor, I'll probably end up... She seems really solid where all the braces are, so I'm probably just going to be cheap ass and just put a whole new floor over top of this floor that's already here. And once that's in, I'll just probably I'll fiberglass around all the edges. And probably just put like a layer of fiberglass over everything just to seal it all in, repaint it, and then maybe put like a carpet in here or something like that for grip. I don't know if this is an add-on or not. The hydraulics, I guess that's for making it go up and down. I haven't a clue, man. I'm not a boat guy. I'm going to learn along the way. So I guess my first thing here is to spray some of this stuff on here, see what it does in it. If it does anything, pressure wash it off, see if it does anything. And if not, well, I'll get some bleach and just scrub away. So I used a little bit of Fantastic along the whole side of this thing. A little bit of elbow grease. And just scrubbed away a little bit. Cleaned it up a fair amount, but I can do better. I need a part for my pressure washer. I'm going to go into town, pick it up, come back, and I'm going to really go to town on this thing. Did a little bit of cleanup inside here. Lots of crap, but you know. The floor is surprisingly solid. There's a couple soft spots in it, but definitely usable. Like, look, this thing has been outside for God knows how long. Friggin', I'm going to have to ask the guy I got it from, but I think it was like 15 years or something silly. And before that, it was, yeah, it was redone. And yeah, it's just, this thing has not seen water in a long time. So we've been getting a shit ton of rain, but I did a little bit of manually scrubbing some crap here yesterday. No soap on this part, just to get an idea of what would happen. But yeah, 40 bucks friggin' later, I found the part I lost. Oh well, what you gonna do? This one's a little nicer. The other one was made of plastic. All right, let's dig out the pressure washer. Let's get this thing cleaned up. Outside is done. Let's move into the inside. We're slowly getting there. She's getting a little bit cleaner. Bit by bit, we'll get her ready. Prep her up for, I don't know, some kind of a retrofit or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Thinking maybe some kind of a little mini deck in here, you know, raise it up just a little bit. Maybe put one seat up there or something like that, you know. Little set of stairs. I don't know. We'll see as she goes. Who knows? Plans probably change. And now to this mess. Look at the crap on the controller. This isn't going to be fun. There's so much crap in there. Ugh. So here's what I was talking about earlier that I noticed. She's been hit and repaired. It's a little wavy. I mean, it looks like it's sealed. I mean, it looks like it's held up pretty good. Compared to how sharp that side is, right? Yeah, shit happens, I guess. Oh yeah, check this out. Turns out, my motor is actually that old school baby shit green. I'm gonna have to repaint that. So we'll do a quick walk around here just to show you the difference from where she was till now. It still needs a little bit of hand scrubbing, but she's not too bad. A lot cleaner than she was. There we go. Yeah, a little bit of hand scrubbing, I'm sure take some of that, or most of it off. Probably have to throw a little bit of paint in here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. See that hole? There's a hole right down the bottom, right at the bottom of the boat, the size of my finger. I'm going to have to fix that, and I got one right up there as well. So I got two holes in the bottom of this boat. I'm going to have to do some fiberglass work too. Yeah. Maybe that too.